Here's how to turn off age restrictions on X, formerly Twitter, in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Age restrictions on X limit sensitive content based on your birth date and content settings. First, open the X app on your phone. Tap your profile icon. Then tap Settings and Privacy to open account options. Tap Privacy and Safety to access content controls. Tap Content You See. This controls what content appears on your feed. Turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. This removes age-based restrictions from your feed. Go back one step. Tap Search Settings. Turn off Hide Sensitive Content to allow all results. You must be 18 or older to change these settings. If your age is under 18, the restriction cannot be removed. Go to Account Information and make sure your birth date is set correctly. And that's it. You've successfully turned off age restrictions on X/Twitter. Subscribe for more X and phone tips.